Hello, welcome to my channel, Original Afrocentric Design by Lisa, OAD by Lisa, it's also known as, and I am Lisa. Okay, we're getting back to the pants I've been working on for my niece. Been working on these for quite a while. You want to hear the story? Stay tuned. Here is the pattern I'm working on, McCalls M8007. I'm working on view C. And if you look at the line drawings, you can tell view C, no pockets, and it has the contrast pieces, fabrics. So she's almost done. This is my niece Sydney. She's wearing a version of stacked jeans. I talked to my sewing teacher and she said these are patchwork jeans. I googled stacked jeans, and what they are is it's when you add extra fabric or patches to the bottom or the side of your jeans. Now this is a DIY stacked jeans. For example, if you cut the bottom off one pair of jeans and you flip them around and you sew them onto the bottom of another pair of jeans, you have stacked jeans. Sydney had two pairs of jeans she wanted me to work on.
Okay, we've got our two pairs of jeans here. The leggings jeans and the Always Skinny, the Gap 1969 dark denim wash. We're going to create them into stacked jeans.
I don't have a picture of Sydney in the jeans, but you can tell that the bottom 20 inches of the jeans are from a different pair. Sydney, if you see this, I need a picture of you in the jeans. Next, she wanted me to create a pair of stacked jeans from scratch. So I used McCall's pattern M8007. Which came first, the pattern or the fabric? I got the fabric from Vogue Fabrics in Evanston during an open house for my sewing class, Sew Design Studios, in May of 2022. I brought both of these fabrics at Vogue in Evanston. I noticed that my Vogue fabric reminded me of some Ankara I had purchased at an import. I increased the pant leg 20 inches. I know that was too long. I cut the pattern on the shorten and lengthen line door. Oh, I came up with the theory that 3 different sized and shaped women can wear the same pattern size. The largest size in the pattern envelope was too small for me. The pattern was just the right size for Erica. It fixed her shape. Of course, I need to fix the length and add the waistband, but the back looks good. The pattern was too big for Sydney, so my theory was kind of disproven. As we can see from this fitting, the pants are too big for Sydney. I'm going to have to slim them down on the sides and take in the waistband a little bit, add the waistband, and then shorten the length on the pants. And then we'll be just fine. I also added some darts to the back. Okay, let's talk about my fly front zipper. This is my third time I've tried it. I did it once in yellow pants, and I made another pair of the same yellow pants again, and then I made a satin pair of pants for Miss Erica, all with the fly front. And this is my fourth time trying it, and I must say you get better with practice. Here are the jeans with about 20 extra inches in length. Here's another inspiration picture Sydney provided, but I'm not quite sure what technique they used to get this. So I had to go back to the drawing board, to the drawings I originally made in 2023 to figure out what I did and how I made it. So I decided to cut off the pants at the bottom, cut off those 20 inches, and then use them as overlay to the pants. Originally I pinned them on and I shifted the stripes in the pants, try to shift it up a little bit, make sure that Sydney was happy with that, and made sure the pants looked good. That seemed to work. And then I basted the pants together to make sure it was going to be fit right, look good, and line up properly. And it was a good thing I did because they did not line up. So I had to take the basting off and try it again. I got everything to line up evenly, looked very nice, and it worked. There are only 3 steps left, 3 or 4, to finish off the Sydney's pants. My sewing machine stopped working, so I had to base the waistband facing onto the waistband, and I've got to remember to put my label in. But I know the waist is too big for Sydney. I know she likes it a little baggy, so. But I know I'm gonna have to take it in. The hips should be fine. Then I've got to sew on the extra overlays and get the wrinkles into the stacked part. So Sydney should be coming over Tuesday or Wednesday. We'll have another fitting, and we'll go from there. Okay, I took Sydney's measurements January the 3rd, 2024. And I'm just now finishing up the jeans. So for a year later, I've still got, let's see, it is sew down the overlays. Yeah, this is what's coming up next, the final fitting to adjust the waistband. Then we still need to hem the pants. So hopefully that's coming up soon. Here are the threads that I had in my stash to attach the overlays to the pants. I guess I must be attracted to certain colors. Final fitting, and the waistband is fitting. The back looks good. These are the pants in the current state. I have installed the hook and slider. And that worked. It fit her waist perfectly. The hips are slimmed down. I have attached what I'm calling the overlay to the pants. So they are attached. I took out all the basting. There was a lot of basting. And we are going to pull the pants up right around this pin. And that's going to be the stack part. So they're going to somehow puddle these pants down here so that they'll have the stack part. And we're almost done. I'm happy with it. almost finished with these pants for Sydney. I've got to do the hem, which I originally overlocked the ends, and then I flipped that up about 1/4 inch and sewed that down, and then now this is like an inch hem, and I'm going to top stitch that. Then I'm going to take, it's really hard to show, so I'm going to scrunch this up. I'm not sure if this is 1 inch or 3 inches, but I'm going to scrunch it up and tack it down. And then the pants will be complete. We're getting down to the finish line with these pants. And I'm trying to figure out how to get that bottom stack right. I've got the inner pant here, and then this is the outer stack part, and I need to stack it up, but I can't quite get it. The last 7 or 8 inches I need to shrink up to about 3 or 4 inches. And I tried to pin in like some pleats, which horizontal pleats, but it looks, to try to get it to wrinkle up and stack, but it may be the pins that are making it look too stiff, but it doesn't seem right. I think I might use some elastic on the inner and outer seams, so that I can, get it to gather up on the in-seam and the outer seam. And then here in the middle, maybe a stitch or two, maybe a chain stitch or something, because this is going to draw it up, but I don't know, it still needs some more work. But I'm almost there. Is it recording? Okay, so yeah, it's recording. Turn around. Let's see. She's going to wear some platform shoes with them. And she is going to, when she gets it all dressed up with everything, with her belt and her shoes and her shirt. All right, so let me see.
Right now our colors is crazy what we got on.
Right.
This is not the full fit.
But
the full fit is going to be fire.
I think it's not bad.
No, it's great. Perfect.
All right, happy birthday 2023 and 24 and 25.
I love it so.
Yeah. You're welcome, girl.
So I can take these home today?
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay.